Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make this 3D star using graph paper. First fold a glittery paper like this, again fold it into half and make a triangular shape. Fold it like this, open it and again fold it. After this we are going to tuck it inside like this, fold it again. Then we are going to make 5 such pieces and combine all of them together, and look, your star is ready. In this video, we are going to make these colorful origami bunnies. So take a pink graph paper, start folding it. We are folding it from its top and bottom. Now we are going to tuck all the corners inside in triangular shape. Again open it and we are going to fold it like this. Flip it and again fold it. Pull it upwards and look, the face is ready. Now we are going to give shape to the legs. Tuck it inside and look, it's done. Give shape to the ears, paste eyes, and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful moon shape. Let's make it. We are using this pink graph paper. Cut it and you will get a shape like this. Now we are going to fold it from its top and bottom. Here we are making a crisscross size like this. Again fold it. We are making a mini lines at the center. Look at the circles. Now we are going to fold it according to the lines like this, and we'll have to create a pattern here. So press it gently in a C portion and look, your moon is ready. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful bow. So we are folding this yellow graph paper, press it and fold it from its diagonals. Now we are going to make a shape at the center. It is a square shape. Then fold it and make a star shape at the center. Press it from its sides. Now we are going to flip it and do the same from other side as well. Open it, you will get a small square at the center. After this, we are going to cut it from both ends using cutter like this. Now fold it and give it shape. After this, we are going to hold it and again make a slight cut at the center using scissors and fold it like this. Then we are going to fold it and tuck the paper inside like we are doing here at the center knot. Again we are going to give a V cut at the bow, and look, your bow is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.